Capricorn, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH and this is your next blessing anytime soon. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan, so let's see. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, tignan natin. Next blessing para sa mga Capricorn. Next blessing. Okay, so you have the second house. I like that. Second house is your finances. You have the moon in Virgo in the sixth house. Moon is about your emotions, your nurturing energy. I feel like magiging maingat ka sa pag-aalaga ng iyong mga ari-arian. Kahit gaano kaliit pa yan. Oo, yung mga gamit mo na valuable. So, I feel like ang iiwan mo sa'yo ay yung mga kapaki-pakinabang na bagay. And if you feel like hindi mo na to mapapakinabangan, pero pwedeng pakinabangan ng iba, pwedeng yun ay ibebenta mo, ipamimigay, may mga decluttering kang gagawin. Nakaka-excite kasi parang ang dami kong gustong sabihin, tapos nasa isip ko, tapos biglang di ko siya masabi. But anyway, ang nakikita ko kasi rito is yung pagde-declutter mo, pagle-let go mo ng mga unnecessary things na sa buhay mo. This will create space. Okay? You get that? This will create space. At yung space na yon will attract new opportunities, new things sa buhay mo. Okay? So, example, meron kang mga, yung iba, lalo na kung mahilig kang mag-hoard, no? Yung mga gamit na nakyutan ka lang, binili mo, pero hindi naman siya functional, hindi mo na ginagamit, nakatambak lang kasi iniisip mo na, baka magamit ko siya, anytime. Pero 6 months na, hindi mo pa rin nagagamit. So, most likely, hindi mo siya gagamitin. Okay? Depende na lang yan kung anong gamit niya. No? Say, for example, meron kang power bank or yung generator. Siyempre, minsan lang talaga nagagamit yun, lalo na kung may mga power outage, diba? But, alam mo yun, yung mga bagay na alam mo, binili mo lang kasi naengganyo ka lang. Oo. But anyway, anything sa buhay mo na sa tingin mo is hindi na nag-a-add ng value sa'yo. So, you are going to let go of that. Okay? And you will only focus on yung mga bagay na may pakinabang pa sa'yo. So, second house is your material possessions, your finances. Some of you, no, kasi Virgo energy to, so magiging maingat ka sa paggastos ng pera mo. I think mas magiging aware ka sa spendings mo. Okay? Dahil yung iba sa inyo, mas gusto nyo ngayon makapag-ipon. Mag-iipon kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Ayan. So, we also have here, this is protection. Okay? So, you are being protected. There's like an energy sa'yo, like parang you are protected by your ancestors, your spirit guides, and also magiging malakas yung instinct mo about danger, no? So kumbaga paparating pa lang yung danger na yan, alam mo na agad na oops, you know how to shield yourself, you know how to shield the energy around you. Okay? Lalo na kung merong tao na merong hindi magandang intention sa'yo, alam mo agad na, oops, itong taong to, parang parang mang-aasar lang or manloloko lang sa'yo. So, you will protect yourself from that. Makakaiwas ka na. Especially in your investments. If there is something fishy na parang basta magiging defensive ka ngayon, no? To protect yourself. And alam mo kasi kung ano yung may mga good intentions, ano yung mga bad intentions. Okay? So you will be protected from any harm. And then, you also have, this is leadership, tiwas, no? So, maaring meron kang, ang isa sa blessing mo is leadership role, you will be promoted, pwedeng may increase ng iyong sweldo, or sa ano mo, sa community mo, ikaw yung leader, ikaw yung, not necessarily na you have a certain responsibility, pero para sa iba, ganon, yung tipong halimbawa sa business, no? They are considering you like a leader in that business because ikaw yung nasa unahan, nasa forefront ka, no? Kumbaga, ikaw yung nangunguna, ganon. So, you also have, maari rin kasing merong mga certain challenges around you, kaya nga, it is really important that you protect your energies because itong Turisas is protection, being alert, being in defense. Oo. Dahil syempre, once na ikaw ay umaangat, may mga taong magta-try na hilain ka pababa. Okay? So that's why you have to be aware of your surroundings. You have to be aware of the people na nakakasalamuha mo, nakakausap mo, di ba? So let's see. Ano pa yung blessings for Capis? You have the Emperor. Leadership role. This is more, ang Emperor kasi is very disciplined, no? So, I think you are going to be more disciplined, structured sa mga goals mo. Talagang hindi ka papatinag. You have the Fool. This is a new opportunity for you. Meron kang susubukan, no? Pwedeng magte-take ka ng risk, but I think this is something well calculated, no? With the Emperor here. So, maingat ka dito sa new venture, new career, new business, new relationship for some of you. Also have the Ten of Cups. Wow. So this is happiness, contentment, prosperity in your family. Money is flowing in, Capricorn. So this is really good news for you. I think you will spend more time with your kids. And I also see some solo parent dito, no? So, ibig sabihin, mag-isa ka lang na nagre-raise ng family mo. I also see you having more time with them. And kahit na mag-isa ka lang, kayang-kaya mong itaguyod ang iyong pamilya, ang iyong mga anak. You also have the Eight of Pentacles, which is focusing on your money, your skill set, your finances, working really hard, no? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga bagong pang pag-aaralan, i-improve niyo yung knowledge ninyo, and somehow you will get some achievement, no? May ma-achieve ka. You will see results of your hard work. Okay, let's see what else. You have the Five of Cups. I think meron ka nang i-let go. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go para to make space for new things. Kasi, ayan o, may dalawa ka pang cups doon, yung tatlo natapon na. So, letting go of that, charge to experience, lalo na kung nagkaroon ka ng mga bad decisions in life. You have the Seven of Wands. So, di ba? Protection. Seven of Wands is, being more, parang, ang tawag doon, alert. Yan, alert na alert ka sa paligid mo. Alam mo kung sino yung iiwasan mo, alam mo kung sino yung lalapitan mo, at hayaan mong papasukin sa buhay mo. Ayan, you are setting boundaries. Wow, look at that. The World card is achievement. This is a completion of a project. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong matatapos na proyekto na magiging very successful. Some of you, travel opportunities sa ibang bansa ito. And rewards din yan sa hard work ninyo. O, diba? Organizing talaga. Oo, you will do a lot of organization, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, merong paplanuhin. Yung iba talaga leadership role kasi kayo yung mag-assist niyan, no? Kayo yung mag-organize niyan. You are also going to be more confident in yourself sa mga bagay na gagawin mo. And grace is gracia, diba? So, blessings are coming to you. The more confident you are, Capricorn, the more blessings ang darating sa inyo. Diba? Hidden secrets can harm you. So, ayun na nga. Ito yung sinasabi ko na baka merong mga tao na merong ill intentions towards you. So, always protect your energies. Wow, isa sa blessing nyo, may vacation, some of you abroad. Oo, or a place na parang feeling mo nasa ibang dimension ka, nasa ibang mundo ka. Control your anger or you will be sorry, of course, no? Kailangan din magtimpi just in case merong mga nakaka-stress na situation sa buhay ninyo. You will be taken care of in difficult times. O, di ba? You are protected like what I mentioned kanina. Protection from your ancestors, from your spirit guides, from your angels. You can read, alam nyo, Saturn is protecting you, Capricorn. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.